Have you ever struggled with managing multiple phones every day just to run Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram accounts? You spend hours liking, commenting, scrolling, and taking care of accounts. It's exhausting. And worst of all, just one small mistake can get your account locked or checkpointed. So is there a smarter way to save time and manage hundreds of accounts safely? The answer is MKT Phone. MKT Phone is a powerful software that allows you to control and manage multiple Android phones directly from your computer. All you need to do is connect your devices via USB, enable developer mode, and you can operate dozens of phones at the same time. Here are the main features of MKT Phone. Control multiple devices at once. You can click, swipe, and perform actions as if you're holding each phone individually, but everything is managed right on your computer screen. Safe account farming. Automate daily actions like scrolling the newsfeed, watching stories, liking and commenting, so accounts look like real users and avoid bans. Proxy and fingerprint integration. Each phone can be assigned a different IP address and unique device fingerprint, so platforms like Facebook or TikTok detect them as real, unique users, reducing checkpoint risks. Supports real devices and emulators, not just Android 9 and above. MKT Phone also works smoothly on emulators like LD Player, which makes it easy to scale up the number of devices. Save time and manpower. Instead of hiring multiple people to manage accounts manually, one person with MKT Phone can easily handle hundreds of accounts. The best part is that MKT Phone acts like a control center, a place where you can monitor, command, and automate tasks across dozens or even hundreds of devices. This makes it perfect for anyone doing MMO, seeding, social media marketing, or online business at scale.